Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Evita and I love posting cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. I also sometimes post a wide range of other types of videos. I'm just now getting back into the groove of things, so my house is extremely dirty. I want to do some spring cleaning videos where I do extreme deep clean throughout my house. Let me know in the comments down below if that's something you all will be interested in. Thank you all so very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But now let's get to cleaning.
Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've done? 'Cause I just wanna come alive.
I'm not exactly sure why, but whenever I'm at this angle, the camera gets extremely dark. I do have my lights behind my camera. I'm thinking that maybe because of the window, it's the lights coming in, and then I have the light behind my camera. I'm not exactly sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below so I don't do it again. This is my husband's area over here, and he told me not to clean it, but you guys know I am super stubborn, and you see that I am cleaning it. I purchased this NBD Plant Power All-Purpose Cleaner from Target, and I like it. There's like nothing wrong with it. There's like nothing to say about it, but I do like it. It got the job done. And you guys, I want to apologize if I sound like I am nasally. It is pollen everywhere here in South Carolina, and if you guys live in South Carolina, you know what I'm talking about. It is allergy season, and it's early, and I have my window open like a crazy person. Yes, I put the whole vacuum on top of the sofa, but it's harder to clean it with just the hose, as you guys see me here doing that. But I do try to clean off these little lint rolls on top of there, but I think I'm gonna have to use our electric lint remover to get these off because this stuff would not come off.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself and life will be sweet again. So sweet again.
This is the part that I dreaded the most, decluttering this desk. As you all can see, there is a ton of stuff on this desk. I had to go through all of the mail that was on this desk, shred it, recycle the parts that didn't have like our information on it. It was a lot, you guys. I do all because I think it took me like 2 hours just to go and clean this desk. It was a hot mess. So I was thinking about getting a new desk, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this one white. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, because look at the top of it. I don't know if it's gonna turn out right, but we are thinking about moving and I didn't want to purchase anything new that wouldn't actually fit or go with the new house. So I think I am just gonna go ahead and buy some paint and just paint this desk white.
And life will be sweet again.
Once again, it's extremely dark, but I'm just taking down my curtains so I can wash them because they were extremely dirty. And if you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you so very much for sticking with me. Leave me a pink heart down in the comments to let me know that you guys watched up until this point. So if I paint the desk white, I'm also going to go ahead and paint this TV stand white. This thing is so old, you guys. My husband had this before we even met, and we've been together for like a super long time. But the glass is inside of the TV stand, as you guys can see, like that little opening right there. We kept it in there because we had a DVD player, and like we haven't had a DVD player in so many years, and we just never put it back. But I do end up putting it back. I'm not sure if I end up showing you guys or not, but the glass is back in, and I am going to go buy me some paint today, you guys. I think I'm just going to go ahead and paint everything in the living room white except like my husband's area, because I don't want to hear his mouth. Typically, my husband would run the carpet cleaner, but this day I decided to do it myself. I do love this carpet cleaner. The only thing is, if there's a stain that has been in the carpet for a while and I didn't notice it, I do have to use some spray carpet cleaner and a brush, scrub it, and then go over it with the carpet cleaner. So that black stuff is what the carpet cleaner leaves behind after it has cleaned an area. I'm guessing that it's all of the dirt that has accumulated in that area, and then the carpet cleaner just spits it back out. When I'm done using the carpet cleaner, I just go back and pick it all up. It's so funny because I'm always disgusted and shocked at how dirty our carpets really are. Well, that is all for this video. If you guys made it this far, leave me a black heart down in the comments below. But I do want to thank you all so very much for watching today. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love.